Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever lost access to your HubSpot two-factor authentication or just need to reset it for better security, you're in the right place. In this quick yet detailed guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to reset your HubSpot two-factor authentication so you can keep your account safe and accessible. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any important tips. Log into your HubSpot account. First, head over to hubspot.com and click the login button at the top right corner. Enter your email and password as usual. If you use Google to sign in, just click Sign in with Google. That works too. Once you're inside your dashboard, you're ready for the reset process. Access your settings. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a little gear icon. That's your settings. Click it. This is where you manage everything about your account, including security settings. Navigate to Security. On the left sidebar, click General, and from the drop-down, select Security. This section is dedicated to your login protections and is exactly where we need to be to reset your two-factor authentication. Initiate the two-factor authentication reset. Look for the option that says Set up two-factor authentication or simply two-factor authentication. Click it. HubSpot will now guide you through resetting your existing setup so you can start fresh. Choose your two-factor authentication method. HubSpot offers a few different methods to secure your account. You can use the HubSpot mobile app for direct notifications. Set up a third-party authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Or go with a passkey, which provides a seamless and passwordless experience. Pick the method you prefer and follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Depending on your account permissions, you might need a super admin's approval or a verification code sent to your email. And that's it. Your HubSpot two-factor authentication is now fully reset and ready to keep your data safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick guides on digital tools and security. Thanks for watching and stay secure out there.